Good morning. It is December the 7th. We're out here on Truman Lake trying to catch some catfish. Been a little time off since I've been on the water. I've been doing a lot of deer hunting, trying to kill a buck, but no luck. So we back after the catfish. Came out yesterday, did real good. Caught some big fish. Caught 4 overs and some slots and nice limit of fish. So no clients today. Just out here by myself, enjoying a pretty weather and God's creation. Pretty cool morning, about 30 degrees. Sunny though, it's real nice, not too bad. Fishing 6 rods. I've got 4 rods with floats on them and 2 rods on the bottom. So we'll see what happens. Just before I get the camera up, we already got one. I got one in the box already. Just a nice eater fish. So stay with us. We'll see what happens. There's a fish. Oh, man, he got off. He was there, but he come unbuckled. Shad was easy to get today, but no big shad, which is fine. Yesterday, that's all we could pretty much get to. And just put a couple pieces on, and it did the trick. There's one. There's one. You gotta be kidding me. All right, I'm gonna make a move. Y'all stay with me. All right, we moved down a couple 100 yards, so just fishing this timber. It's about 6-7 foot of water in here. Looking for like little holes that I kind of looked for yesterday and produced some good fish. So we'll see. There's a little bitty hole right here, and then we got a few more little holes we can kind of hit. So we'll give this spot a try and see what happens. If not, we'll move on. There's one there. Came off. Man, I don't know what the deal is today. I didn't have that problem at all yesterday. Still got my bait. You hit it like a good one. Video fish. That might be some of the problems. We'll throw it back. the better what we just threw back. One over here. Come on. There go, start biting. Belly on that fish. I mean, they ain't feeding. Nice eater fish. Yeah, here, just a second. Clean up my mess. All right, that's a little bit of action. So. See if we can catch some more. Them little shad, I've just cut the tail off of them, spread them on 2 or 3, depends on how size they are, and end up with a nice little chunk bait. Fish. Oh, don't get me in the stuff. Come out there. There he comes, there he comes. He's a little bigger now. I guess he just had me right a stop, but it's a good eater. Another one for the box. I just noticed the GoPro wasn't recording. I don't know if you got to take that or not. Looks like slot fish. Right at 30 inches. Alright, let's put it back. Thank you, buddy. A little bit bigger pieces. Well, I'm gonna try that. We can catch a bigger fish, maybe. They say big bait's big fish. So. I know some of you watching this, you think, hey, you probably laugh if I call that a big bait. But. There's a little bigger bait. Nice big bigger fish came off that big head. And this slot came off that strip stakes. Nice healthy fish. Let's see how long he is. This fish is 31 inches. Alright, let's put him back. Back in the lake he goes. On Truman we got a slot limit. It's 26 inches to 34 inches is our slot fish. It's kind of like our prime breeding fish. Those got to go back. And then under 26 inches obviously you can keep, and then if you want to over 34 inches you're allowed 2 of those, but I try to put those back. You know, I think those are our better breeding fish personally, and take a nice picture of it and enjoy it, put it back for someone else like you to catch. So that's what we like to do. And no overs yet, but stay with us, maybe we'll get one in a minute. Rods of choice today are the B&M Bombers. These are our fun rod, especially for Truman. We catch a lot of eater, a lot of slots, and they got a lot of action. They're more kind of like a medium light action. As you can see, he put some nice take down. They're a lot of fun. So it's first year using these rods, and I've used B&Ms for a long time. I like these bombers. They're pretty nice. I think I'm gonna move. Caught a few fish in here. Let's try something different. That bite's slowed down a lot. This morning it was pretty fast and furious for a little bit. Like you turn the light switch on. I think we're going to move again. Try something completely different. We're going to ease on back in here a little further. A little bit heavier wind today, so I don't know if the bait's pushing the bite in here a little further. So, no, we'll go real shallow and see what happens. Like a better fish. Oh yeah, good fish. That's an over. Heck yeah. I wanted to bring an over for you guys, and I think we finally did. We'll put a measurement on it. It's not a huge over, but I believe it's an over. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I wish y'all had a better camera angle. I'll get him up here for you. Look, barely came out. Let me get a scale too. How long he is. Fish is 37 inches. There's your over. Look at him here. I'll get a picture on my phone. Alright, we're gonna put him back. Yeah, finally. Back here now, don't you? All right, that came on a Carolina rig, slip rig, just a 2-ounce weight. Got a sinker stop here, it's a rubber stopper, goes down to a chain swivel. This is these are 10-aught circle hooks. Line of choice today, slime line. I use 30 pound. I use their heavy cover also by Slime Line. It's an 80-pound leader line. Let's get it back out and do it again. Another nice fish. Nice fish. I'm gonna say he's probably close to 30 inches. Just a hair over 30 inches. Alright, he's going back. Thought the fish was off. He was just running with it. Take it. Another fish on the Carolina rig. I might have to switch them on the Carolina rig. My hunch was right. You know, yesterday we caught most of our fish on the outside edge of all these stumps, and just barely in the stumps. But yesterday we didn't have as hard a wind. I think this wind just pushed all that bait, shad, and all them fish just followed it. I'd say the further I go back, probably the more fish I'll get into. Caught with a couple, had a nice over, so we'll stay here just a little longer. Another one bites the dust. Fish back in here. Smaller fish here. I like that one we caught this morning. Maybe a little bigger. Not much. Be a good one to fry whole or cut up a steak. I tell you, I'm gonna keep him. We'll see what happens. I like them cut up in steaks. Right, I ain't had any like that in a while. That right there's a perfect size for it. Might do that. Bite's picking up. We thought the bite turned off. Bite didn't turn off, it just moved. Fish just moved is all. Might be a slot fish here. I think he was that big. Yeah. Slot fish. nice fish. I don't think he's that big. Fishing it over. See how long his fish is. 32 inches, almost an over. Oh, he's milking everywhere, all over my boat. Nice fish though. Get him out here. Come on, take it. He's on there the whole time. Man, it's been a good day. Tell you what, that's I'm gonna fish another 15 minutes or so. See if we can't get another one in the box. If not, we still had a great day, so stay tuned. Well, that was quick. Another eater. Another eater. Nothing real big, but he'll make a sandwich. All right, see if we can catch one more. I know I said one more a while ago. Let's see if we can catch one more. No, I have to come back and look at the footage, but I think it's pretty even as far as Santee Cooper or Carolina rigs, float or no float. You know, I've been biting on both. I don't really think it matters. There's the one we're looking for. Another one over here. 2-1. in the box. That's a limit, folks. Another fish right here. Throw this one back. Another little fish. See you later, buddy. Just missed one there. Tell you what, fish turned on. No, we just moved back into the fish. That's what happened. Tell you what, it's been a great day. It's not even noon. It is 11:55. A lot of slots and some over, I think. One over. Been a great day. Nothing, can't complain about that. I think I'm gonna get these rods picked up, take these to the house, clean them up. Might cook something for supper. So appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been out here on the water. It's good to be back. I took a friend of mine out yesterday that I didn't have anybody today, and good to be back out on the water. I've missed it, that's for sure. Chasing those stinking deer. Until next time, appreciate you watching. Check us out. Got a Facebook page, TikTok. Obviously, you're watching this on YouTube, but thanks for watching. And if you want to book a trip, look us up. www.catchemguideservice.com. Put you on a catfish trip. We also do crappie as well. We got 2 guide boats, so we can accommodate large groups as well. So appreciate you watching. Sorry you had to be in the cold wind today, but it was nice and toasty in this enclosure. So don't let the cold weather bother you. We got some nice enclosures to keep you warm, buddy heaters if we need it, but it's been a great day. Till next time, see you on the water.